Welcome to Studio Amphis. This is a purpose-built studio for our consultants and our customers so that we can educate and train them on how to light their places beautifully. The purpose of this studio is to show you different aspects of lighting and how it works in different spaces, how to use lighting for different things, and how to light your spaces beautifully. We've identified that really we can do a lot more when lighting people's homes, and we can do it much better than what we have been doing. With the evolution of LED lighting over the last 10 to 20 years, the opportunity to light a home beautifully is getting better and better for people. The purpose of the Amphis studio is to try and educate people on how to do that. And you don't need to spend a lot of money. You don't need to invest a lot of your budget on lighting. You can simply light your home beautifully with just better placement of lighting, using less lights. One of the core principles of what we try to do is to use less light and use less lights, but use them in more appropriate places. We've learned that decorative lighting is really a very small part of lighting a home well. Over the journey, we've provided documentation, in situ images, renders of products, renders of light, and we've found that it's still quite difficult for people to understand how light works in a space, and there is nothing like seeing it in a home situation. So we've developed Studio Amphis to provide that opportunity for people to be able to come in and see how light works in different spaces and how light affects mood and how light affects the room. Some of the feedback that we've had and some of the concerns that people have is, will I have enough light? They're fearful that if I don't put it in now, it's going to be difficult for me to put it in later. So quite often they'll fill their rooms up with downlights, which are a really efficient way to light a room really well, and quite often overlight the room. And it's very difficult to then pull that back. So the purpose again of Studio Amphis is to show people that they don't need a lot of product and a lot of light to be able to create really beautifully lit spaces with enough light. Within a builder's environment, one of the challenges that customers have is trust, and being able to trust their consultant, that they are the centre of knowledge. And what we're trying to do with our consultants is to build their knowledge and to show them how things work and understand how lighting works in different spaces. The customer then trusts what they say, and it enables our consultants, or the consultants that we work with, to provide true and meaningful information to those people that are building. We're all about considered lighting, and we're all about what people do in their homes and how they use their homes, and then where they put the light for that purpose, and making sure that they're not putting light where it's not needed. At Amphis, we'd like to educate and empower you so that you can have meaningful conversations with your customers about light.